gratitude meditation for a better life. This gratitude meditation will help you remember the small blessings you may take for granted in your day-to-day life. First, find a comfortable position to rest in, either in a chair or on a comfortable flat surface. Take a moment to center yourself. Now, take a deep breath through your nose. Fill your lungs with air. Let your breath out through your mouth. Take a few more deep breaths this way. In through the nose, filling the lungs with air, and out through the mouth. Now, we will practice a gratitude mantra. The mantra is, I am grateful for. Think now what you are grateful for. We will repeat this mantra 10 times. Each time you repeat the mantra, try to come up with something different that you are thankful for. If you are having trouble coming up with things, start small, focusing on your immediate environment. You could be thankful for the breeze coming through the window, cooling your face. Or you could be grateful for the soft plush surface you are resting on. Here are some suggestions to help you get started. I am grateful for the air in my lungs. I am grateful for my heart that beats and keeps me alive. I am grateful for my senses that help me perceive the world. I am grateful for my comfortable bed. I am grateful for my clothes that protect me and keep me warm. I am grateful for the tree in my yard that is beautiful to look at. I am grateful for the sun that shines through my window and brights the room. I am grateful for the food in my fridge. I am grateful for my job that enables me to provide for myself and or my loved ones. I am grateful for my family that cares for me. I am grateful for my pets that cheer me up. Now it is your turn. The mantra is, I am grateful for. Please do repeat this mantra 10 times. And each time you repeat the mantra, try to come up with something different that you are thankful for. Now take a deep breath and open your eyes.